Your bone is not in her.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a wig from Bobbi Boss. I've actually reviewed this wig on my channel before, earlier this year. However, I have it in another color, so I just want to show you guys the color real quick. Because sometimes when you see a wig in a different color, like a bright color, and this one here I have it in a red color, it's kind of hard to see it looking good on you if you don't see it like in a natural color. So the wig we have today is again by Bobbi Boss, and it's Soul Locks. It's their style M833, and I have it in the color number 1. And this is how it looks on the model. And like I said, if I remember, I'll link my original review to the one that I had at first. I'll link that below. But I love that unit. So let's take this one out and see how it looks. This one looks a little bit different than that one. Maybe it's just because I've had it for so long and I picked the curls out. But this unit is really like, it's like a full wig or it's like a half wig. So here's the front of it. You don't get any lace, you don't get any combs, but you do get adjustable straps in the wig. And it's considered a full wig. So I hope you can see that. I like the tips of it, and it's supposed to be like locks. Now the red one, the curls aren't as uniformed as this one, but it may have been that way when I first got it. I honestly can't remember. So let's cut the tag off of this one and get her on. Okay ladies, this is the wig on, and as you can see, you will have to work with it, because when you first put it on, it's just the curls are all over the place. The curls are really pretty, but you just, like I said, gotta work with it. So we're gonna start doing that. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pull off any straggly pieces at the end, and then I'm going to take out some hair along my edges. And I plan to go in and I'm going to use the wide tooth comb to lift the roots. So once I do all that, I'm going to situate the wig and the curls how I think it will fit best on my face. This one's a new one, and the curls look slightly different from the red one. The red one, I don't remember the curls looking quite this way, but like I said, I did have it for a while, and before I filmed that review. So watch me do this, and then I'll come back to you once I style it in the ponytail, because I think I'm going to try to put it in a ponytail as well. Okay, as you can see, this is the front of the unit. I think it looks pretty cute like that. I just took a little bit of hair out, and this is the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a full 360. This is the back of it, and this is the other side. Now I think I'm going to try to put it in a ponytail, and I'm just going to take out a small piece in the front, more like a triangle size amount. And since the hair is nice and thick, you don't need much. So I'm just going to take a rubber band, and I'm going to just put a little bit up in the front in case you want to get an up-down look with it. I think that's really cute. I remember I wore the red one like that, so I wanted to see how this one would look like that. And I think it's a really cute look, and it gives you something different with the unit. So once I'm done with that, I'll come back to you and give you my final thoughts on Miss Soul Locks. Okay, this is kind of the final look for Miss Soul Locks, and as you saw, it was pretty easy. easy to do. I'll give you my quick cons about the unit. One con people may find is that the unit doesn't come with combs. If you like to use combs, then this unit doesn't come with them. So you can either put combs in there yourself, or you can just use bobby pins. Now, if I was to wear this unit out, I would definitely have to put bobby pins in it, and I'm pretty sure that's how I did the last one. Just take a couple bobby pins and put on the sides and in the back of the unit. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, that the unit does fit pretty snug, so that helps. At least it fits snug on my head. If you wanted to, you could probably take the adjustable straps out to give yourself a little bit more room or whatever. So that's a con. Maybe is because it fits snug. The second con, like I say, would be the no combs in it. Besides that, I don't have any real cons to this unit. This is a unit that is a certain look. It's for somebody like that wants to maybe have tight spiral curls, or they want to have that slight maybe dread look. And that's like when you first start growing your dreads out and they're really small and they haven't grown out all the way. So this is something like that. Or I see sometimes people do they take and they curl it with some gel, and they do like a small straw curl. It kind of reminds you of that at the ends. And like I say, it's a look, so you either like this or you don't like it. Now, I prefer the black one. I like it in the ponytail, but I think I kind of prefer the black one, how I had it just down without the ponytail. I think it's cute like that with the ponytail, but I think I do like it without the ponytail. But I was just letting you see that you can pull it up in the front. And I'm sure you can add a band, and there's other things that you can do this. So the pros is I think it's pretty versatile. Two, the second thing is it gives you that look. So if you want it like a natural look, or you want faux locks look, or you want the tiny curls, the spiral curls, and you just don't want to do that with your hair, you could do that and get those. I don't know if they call them pencil curls or what, but it gives you that. And this is one of the units that the older it gets, the better the unit will look, like as far as looking real natural. Now, I do like it like this, even though you can see the curls and they are uniform. Some people may not like that, but I like that. Now, what I ended up doing, if you saw, is I got a big tooth comb and I kind of went to the base of it and lifted it a little bit, and that just slightly lifted the curls, and it also did, made it look it also made it get rid of the uniformity at the bottom of it. So it kind of lifted it up. So that's kind of what I did right up here in the front, just to kind of lift it up, because it was just kind of being packed down and kind of smushed down. So I just lifted the roots of it, just went through, and just like when you get your hair curled in the salon, they just like lift the roots. That's all I did. I just went through and lift the roots. So you can comb this out. It's going to get big. It's going to get like an afro. So I'm not sure if you can get the curls back, because these curls are spiral. I never combed my curls out in my last one. I just always just put it on. I maybe wore a couple days and then I pretty much took it off. I didn't wear that unit like more than 2 days at a time. And again, I probably would do the same thing with this one. I do like the black. I like the length of this unit. It's not too long, and it gives you a couple looks. One, it could look like a crochet if you like getting crochets. It can give you, that look as well. So I think that's cute. So it's an easy unit, easy breezy unit. Again, it's a certain look, so you either like this look or you don't like the look. If you ladies are interested in purchasing the unit in a black or 1B or any other color, I will leave the link below in the description box for you to purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell if you want me to, if you want to receive post notifications every time I post. And if you share this video or any of my videos on your social media, don't forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.